warfare, those who excel in using strategy are like skilled serpent handlers. Like the snake from Changshan Mountain, when you strike its head, its tail comes at you. And when you strike its tail, its head retaliates. But when you strike in the middle, both head and tail are subdued. Can we genuinely control the movements of our forces like this serpent? The answer is yes. When the people of Wu and Yue are at odds, they become allies in times of crisis, much like the left and right hands working together. Relying solely on superior weapons or individual bravery is not enough. Unity is vital, like the harmonious coordination of a chariot's horses, and flexibility is critical, like understanding the battlefield's terrain. Those who master the art of war can command their forces as one, just as if it were a single person acting. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful discussions on strategic thinking and warfare.